Hello guys, this lesson is about callback. Callback is a function that is passed as an argument to another function. They are generally used to handle asynchronous operation, such as reading files, connecting to network, interacting with databases. Why we use callbacks? Because this kind of operations require a variable amount of time to be completed. So we don't really know when this task will be completed, but we want to make sure that we continue with the following tasks only after this task is completed. Let's make an example to really understand what I'm saying. I'm creating a function that I called enter home. Okay, so with this function you enter your home, and now we create a function which is switch air conditioner. It's pretty obvious that generally speaking you switch on the air conditioner after you enter the home, no? So you enter home, I call the function enter home, and then I call the function switch on air conditioner. Up to now everything's simple. Let's see how the code runs. As you can see, you entered your home before you switched on the air conditioner. That's okay. But now let's say that it takes quite a long time to enter our home. Okay, so our end function enter home has a set timeout of 3 seconds now. Let's see how the code runs. As you can see, the switch air conditioner has been executed before because our function enter home was heavier. Yeah, actually there was a set timeout, but in case we are reading a file, it might take several seconds before the program has completed the task. This is the problem. Okay, how do we solve this problem? We use callbacks. So we have said that callbacks is a function that is passed to another function. So we give our enter home a parameter callback, and after we completed our task here, we call back. So we execute the callback, and then when this can be commented out or removed, and then we pass to the enter home our switch air conditioner. Remember not to write like this, otherwise switch air conditioner will be executed at first, but you need to pass it as a parameter, not invoking. Okay, now let's see how the code works. As you can see, you switched your air conditioner only after entering your home, because we have said to JavaScript, before you need to do this, you need to enter home, and then only after you can switch the air conditioner. And you can use this functionality, this callback, with any kind of function. I could create another function. And now that I have this other function, I can just simply pass it as parameter to enter home, and it will invoke the second function as a callback instead of the previous one. Okay. We could actually pass more than one argument to our function, so not just the callback, but even other parameters. I want to give you an example of what I'm saying. I create a function which is the simplest function ever. We sum two numbers. So we pass 2 parameters to the function, and through these 2 parameters we generate a variable which is a result, which is the 2 parameters added together. Okay, but we don't stop here. We add a callback to our function. So our function has a callback that will be invoked. So now we are invoking our callback afterward, and we pass a result as parameter to the callback. And now we create a function which is show, which will have a result as parameter, and will console log a result on the console. So now we can invoke our sum function, passing it the callback, which will be show, and 2 numbers. I know that this sound very simple, but a lot of logic would work into this sort of pattern if you think about it. As you can see, it has printed 3 on the console through the function show. If you find this lesson useful, you would love my complete intermediate JavaScript course that you can find on udemy.com. The link to the tutorial is in the description down below. Thank you very much.